Hello, this is CHELSA. You are 1 4 to notate, and this is my web experiment number, which is about database connection and cookies. In my experiment, first I have to make a database connection. First I have to start my Apache and MySQL in my exam. Then in my NetBeans, my program is this. For this, first I create a form, and in this form action it will point to the db.php file, and I am using the method post, so it will transfer the method in a hidden manner, and then I am for entering my username and password. I am making a form, and when I submit my form, it will direct to lab82.php file. In this I can login or sign up using my username password, and if I have to change my password, it will direct me to pass8.php file. This is a file for changing my password. In this, for changing the password, I have to take the username from the username, password, email, and then when I click the submit button, it will change. It will suggest that password is successfully changed. This is my database connectivity file. In this, using the sections, I am taking the username and password from the user, using your username post method, username and password, and I am using a #1 for using an encrypted password, and then I am taking mail, and for establishing my connection, I am using connection equal to MySQL connect localhost root. This for establishing my connection, and then if connection is not established between the database and my Java application, then it will display MySQLi error. Then this is my table name, that is company. For selecting MySQLi, select db-company. Then for selecting all my values, that is I entered into the database, I use the query insert into users username, password and mail, and then I am taking all the values which user entered into the query, and then I am displaying that query, MySQL query, and then I am checking if my result is not equal to true, then it will display an error, else it will display you are successfully registered. This is the login PHP file for the login if the user is actually logged in. In this also, it will taking the username and password, and storing in the variable username and password, and then the connection is established, and then it will taking the query, and if the records is not equal to 0, it will display login successful. This is our sample output page. In this, when I click my username and password and email, it will register. It will display you are successfully registered, and when I have to if I am not already a user, then I can log in using my username and password. It will display you are successfully logged. Thank you for watching.